Hi, boys and girls. I have a little math puzzle for you today. So I want you guys to take a look. You can pause the video if you'd like and just think about what you see. Think about what you know and notice, and maybe some things that you wonder. All right, I'll go first. I notice that this kind of looks like a mobile. If anybody has seen something like this, some people call it mobile. These are the things that usually you hang in a nursery above a crib to make the babies happy, to soothe them to sleep or whatever. But if you notice, it's kind of like a seesaw in the sense where this is level. This is perfectly level. So that means that both sides must be equal. Because obviously, if one side was heavier than the other, it would start to like lean to the side. So we must know, there's something that I know for sure, is that this side is the same or equal to this side. Okay, if you look down here, there's some more hints. You guys see some more hints for us, some things that we must know? Yeah, you see that we know those teardrops right there are equal to 7. Every time you see this little teardrop or raindrop, that would equal to 7. So I want you to think about, what would this side of the mobile equal to? All right, if you were thinking that each of those raindrops or teardrops was 7, so 3 7s would be the same thing as 3 times 7. So this side is equal to 21. That gives us a really big clue. Are you ready, third graders? This side must also be equal to what? 21. You're right. Yeah. So we know that this side has to be 21, but there's something that we know for sure. Even if we don't know what these purple squares are, we know what this is. We know what this orange shape is. Ready? Oh, we know it's a 1. Okay, so if the whole thing is 21, but this is 1, then we have to think, what could those two squares be, those purple squares? So my brain kind of went maybe into an equation, and maybe your brain did. And if it didn't, if it went in a different direction, I have another option that maybe you were thinking too. I was thinking 1 plus equals 21, because this side's 21, so this side must equal 21. Or if you were thinking multiplicatively, like we do in third grade, we know that these are the same. Whatever this is, it's also this one. So 1 plus 2 times whatever the square is also going to give you 21. Okay, so without giving you the answer, I was also thinking of another way that maybe your brain might have thought of it, and that's like a bar model right here, where we can use like a tape diagram or a bar model to show equivalences or equal. So if we know that this side, again, the raindrops is going to be equal to 21, we already know that that's 3 7s is equal to 21. Well, then the bar on the bottom must be equal to 21. But hey, that guy, that little gold is also a 1. So that means these two squares must be equal to 20. So can we solve what would be each of these? If both of these are 20 and they're the same, what's 20 divided by 2? 10. Yeah, very good. If you thought that was 10, that's exactly right. And we can always go back and check it. 2 times 10, that's 20, and 1 more is 21. Is that equal to the other side? Yes. So we just solved this math puzzle. So this purple square must be 10. All right, I hope you had fun with these mobile math puzzles. I can't really say it very good. If you liked them, then maybe you, parents, or you or your teachers can look up the little website at the bottom right here, and that gives you some more options for these math